Hello friends, welcome back to TechieHelp. Today we will QR code generator for create your QR code for any tech event and any form link, any website link and any data uh, using Python. So this is project 2 of our project Python series. So without delay, let's get started. So first thing you have to show install PyCharm community version in your system. So first go on your PyCharm community. So open your PyCharm community. So open your PyCharm community, go on file, create new project and name your project you want to put it. Okay. So Python project 2 and then create. So let uh, go to main.py, click on right, go on no, new, go on file and make this QR underscore code dot py. Press enter. So first thing you have installed library of QR code. So first go on terminal and put pip install QR code PIL. So it's downloading and it's done. Okay. So first install pip install QR code PIL. Okay. Install the QR code and pillow library using pip install QR code PIL. Then go to build your project. Okay. So first import the QR code library to create QR codes. Okay. So write import QR code. Okay. Enter. So next step, define a function to generate QR code. Okay. So define generate generate QR code. Sorry, generate QR code data comma file का नाम. Okay. Data comma file name and colon. Enter. So next step is create QR object with a specific settings. Okay. So QR equals to QR code dot QR code. Okay. QR code dot capital QR code. QR code. Okay. So don't give a space. Make sure C is capital. Okay. Let's name the version. So version equals to 1 comma. So version is the size of QR code and 1 is the smallest in QR code. Okay. Next error correction error correction equals to QR code dot constance dot capital E error correction L. Okay, comma. So error connection level L is belongs to 7% of error connection. Okay. So press enter. Define set box size as you want. Okay. So box. So, sorry. Write in a small box size box size equals to 10, comma. So size of each box module in the QR code. You want to give according to you of box size. You want to generate QR code according to you. So set the box size according to you. Okay. So next, set box border. Okay. So border equals to 4, comma. Border is thickness of the border in box module. Okay, comma. Okay, okay, fine. Let's enter. So add data to the QR code. So QR dot add data data QR dot QR dot make fit equals to true. Make FT equals to true. True. Sorry, true. Okay. This function is optimize your QR code to fit the data. Okay. You have any doubt, please comment. I'm trying to solving this error. Okay. And the source I am providing source code in comment section. Okay. And description. Also, you check in my official Techie Help website www.techiehelp.netlify.com. Okay. So next step is create an image from the QR code to object. Okay. So object equals to so image equals to keyword dot make image keyword dot make image fill black fi double l equals to black. You adjust the color according to you. Black, comma, black color white. Sorry, back color equals to white. Color equals to white. Okay. So this function set the color to fill black and background color to white. Okay. And next step is save the generated QR code image to a file with a specific file name. Okay. So image dot save image dot save file name file name. Next step is set your data. So data is equals to this tab to put here. Okay. uh, Data is informed to encode in the QR code. So after QR is created, you scan the data is the given link is open techiehelp.netlify.app. Okay. So next step is equals to file का नाम रखना है. So file name equals to example. uh, if you want to save your file according to you, please adjust this. Okay. So example qr dot png. So you want to save this file in JPG format, PNG format. So simply write your file name and the end dot PNG or dot JPG. Okay, adjust this according to you. This file name, save your QR code. Okay, so next step is generate QR code data or file. So generate QR code data comma file name. Oh, sorry, file name. So after this step, this function call to generate and save the QR code. Okay, and next step is print. Next step is print your QR code. Okay, so print have QR code generated and saved as file file name. Okay, so let's check the code is working or not. So let's run, and here this is printing a message. QR code generated and saved as example underscore QR dot PNG. So let's check. So example QR dot PNG is available. Let's see what it prints. Oh, great! It's printing a QR code. So this is simple a step to creating all the function. Okay. So if you have any doubt related to this project, please comment. I'm trying to solve this, and I available this source code in my description. You go through and solve through this. Okay. So thanks for watching and giving your time. So please like, share, and subscribe, and continue to my YouTube channel, Techie Help. In this tutorial, I am building 100 plus project in Python. So without so let's subscribe my channel to update it with latest projects. Okay.